Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. This is a online news about the Thailand. Thailand, it's an Asian country. In the Thailand, something mishappened. So this is the news of 7th October. You can see here, 7th October. Very recent news, and we'll see difficult words here. What happened actually in the country? Eswa Grauen Haft. This is the title. Grauen Haft means very, very miserable condition, very, very pathetic condition, horrifying, horrifying, terrible, horrifying, terrible condition, terrible. Why the condition is terrible? We'll see that. Einen Tag nach dem Angriff auf eine Kita mit 37 Todesopfern steht Thailand unter Schock. Now see, state Thailand unter Schock means Thailand is under the shock. Shocked, something that shocked the entire country. Actually, what happened? A day after the attack, Angriff attack on a Kita. Kita means children nursery, nursery school, play school, kids play school, an attack, and 37 children, okay, were killed. Totus often means casualty. 37 children, small kids, okay, became victim of this attack in Thailand, and that's why Thailand is unter shock. Look at this, unter shock. Unter shock means under the shock. You have done this unter stress. Similarly, unter shock, when you are under stress, under the shocked. Im ganzen Land trauern die Menschen die toten Kinder. In the whole country, im ganzen Land means in whole country trauern, sad. The people die toten Kinder. Why they are sad? Because of the dead children. Toten, tot means dead. Okay, it's an adjective. Tot here is adjective, and toad is a noun. It means death. So look at the difference between tot and toad. Dear toad. So in the entire country, the people are very sad for the death of children. 37 children were killed. Only weiteren offer and further victims. Die Ermittlung zu der Tat steht erst am Anfang. Die Ermittlung zu der Tat, this action, this happening, stehen erst am Anfang, is in the beginning. We'll see what happened actually. Der blutige Angriff, the bloody attack. Blutige, bloody. Blut means blood. So this is an adjective. So bloody. Very bloody attack. Victims. So the children were the victims and they were killed. 37 children. Auf eine Kindertagsstätte. Look at this word. Kindertagsstätte means again nursery school. Nursery school or play school or daycare. Nursery school, daycare. Okay, daycare. We also say daycare where small children go and they learn something. Daycare. This is the word. Kindertagsstätte. Im Nordosten von Thailand. In the northeast. Nordosten, northeast. You know the directions? Northern, Süden means south, Osten means east, and Western means west. The preposition is im northern. So here they have written im Nordosten, in northeast of Thailand, with 37 Todesopfer, 37 victims. Hat das Land in tief Trauergestürzt, has pushed the entire country in very deep sorrow, Trauer, very sad. Trauer means sad, tragic, tragedy, okay, or tragic, very deep sorrow. The entire country is very saddened because of this bloody attack where 37 children were killed. Und Diskussion über die geltende Waffengesetze ausgelöst. And the new law is trying to be arranged. Die geltenden, the valid Waffengesetz, the Arm Act. Waffengesetz means Arms Act. Arm Act. So it needs to be provoked. It needs to be repelled or needs to be changed. The new law should be in place because the children have been killed in a daycare. small kids in kita. The word is kita, very popular word. Kita means daycare, small nursery school. 37 children were killed. There is an attack, bloody attack, okay, in the northeast of Thailand. So now the demand is of repelling the change of new arm act. Why? Okay, who was this killer and how did they get these kind of arms? Die Flaggen in dem Südostasiatischen Land, Southeast Asian country. This is Southeast Asian country, Südostasiatischen Land, W10 auf Halbmast, auch die deutsche Botschaft in Bangkok through Trauerbelebung. The German embassy in Bangkok is also very sad because of this mishappening. The German embassy, Deutsche Botschaft means German embassy, German embassy. Botschaft means embassy, okay. So the German embassy is also very sad. They express their deep sorrow, okay. Am Abend wollen König Maha Vajiralongkorn und Königin Sutida. There's a king and queen in this country, king and queen. The both want to go to the tragedy place, the tragedy reason. They want to visit the place where this took place. They want to visit the place. King and queen. King and queen want to visit the place in the evening, okay. Am Abend. This, okay. Some Ort der Tragödie, the place. Ort means place, okay, where this happened. They want to visit. They want to travel that place. Und unter anderem die Verletzten im Krankenhaus besuchen. And among others, what is in their agenda? To visit the injured people. There are many injured. There are many children who are injured. They are in Krankenhaus. They are in hospital. So they also want to visit the hospital and to meet the injured people. Verletzten means injured. Many children are also injured. They are in hospital. Das Massaker ist eine der schlimmsten Gewalttaten in der jüngeren Geschichte des Landes. Das Massaker means the massacre. This act of violence is one of the worst in the young history of country. Genitive des Landes, genitive. This is one of the worst. Eine der schlimmsten means one of the worst. Gewalttaten, act of violence. Act of violence, okay. This is one of the worst act of violence in the young history of this country. So that's all. We have seen so many vocabulary and we also express our deep sorrow, okay, because so many kids were killed. So we express our sorrow, and so we have seen difficult words here. Watch this video again and learn the vocabulary and also see the structures. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.